In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Microsoft Outlook. Formatting your email properly can make your message clearer and more professional, and one useful formatting option you can use is strike through. This feature allows you to place a line through selected text, which is perfect for showing edits, corrections, or completed items without completely removing the content. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and create a new email message, or simply reply to an existing one. Once you're inside the email editor, type out your message as you normally would. When you're ready to apply the strike-through effect, highlight the specific text you want to modify. If you're using the desktop version of Outlook, go to the top menu and click on the Format Text tab. In this section, look for the strike-through icon, which usually appears as letters with a line drawn through them. Click on that icon, and you'll immediately see the selected text change to a strike-through style. Another way to apply this formatting on desktop is by using a built-in shortcut. After selecting your text, press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This will open the font settings window, where you can check the strike-through option and confirm your selection. This method is helpful if you prefer using keyboard commands instead of navigating through menus. If you're working in the web version of Outlook through your browser, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. After highlighting your text, look for the formatting toolbar above your message. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal more options, then choose strike-through from the list. Your text will update instantly. Using strike-through is especially helpful when you want to show changes without deleting information completely. It can also be useful for marking tasks as done or visually indicating updates in your message. Once you've finished editing your email, you can continue composing your message or send it as usual. And that's it. You now know how to strike through text in Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.